Hey, so today I'm going to be showing a tutorial on how to do whatever you want. So first you go to Pinterest and you go to collage. By the way, this is technically only for phones or iPads, I think. So yeah. So you tap the screen, you can do any kind of color you want. Really doesn't matter. I'm doing orange. So then you go to search and really do anything, but yeah. So when you get your base for whatever you're doing, then you have to pick it. So depending on what you pick, it has to be something. So anyways. So then you just pick your clothes or whatever. It could really be anything. Okay, now you want a shirt. It could really be any kind of shirt, like literally. It's so cute depending on what it is. So once you grab your short, like your shirt, then you can go ahead and put it on whatever you have. So like this. Okay, you have to fit it onto the character for whatever you're using. So then it's actually good. But if you want, you can do a top. It doesn't have to be baggy. It could just be normal. If you want though. But that's just me. So just an example, like one of these or something. Kind of like that. That's what I'm trying to find. But okay, found it. So then you can put it on your baddie character any way you want. Okay. So then you need hair. You get your hair. Could be anything. Okay. Now, if you want, you can get some nails. Okay. So, really anything. Now, I don't like Hello Kitty, but anyways. It could be really anything, or it could just be for the clothes. Or part of the clothes. Anyways. Now, you actually get your cute baddie stuff. If you want. I'm not gonna force you. Okay, I hope you liked it today. Anyways, bye!